Around 70% of active COVID-19 cases in the southern state of Tamil Nadu are from the capital city of Chennai. With the city's case count increasing sharply, most cases are found to be asymptomatic. The civic body and government authorities are preparing additional quarantine facilities. Our correspondent Siddharth MP gets us the latest in this ground report. Take a look.
Over the last 3 days, the southern Indian state of Tamil Nadu has seen a daily spike of 100 plus coronavirus cases. In the last 3 days alone, 386 new cases were recorded across the state, and more than 80% of this comes from the capital city, Chennai. Chennai has a high population, the highest in the state, and also the highest among all districts, including high population density. The risk is that the civic body claims that most of Chennai's active cases and the cases that are turning positive are asymptomatic. This means that whenever people, even without symptoms, travel outside and expose themselves to other people, there's always the risk of transmission of virus without even the symptoms showing up. The civic body is also trying new methods to actually increase the number of quarantine facilities that are available in the state. Well, they're trying to actually do this in Chennai specifically, where the civic body is trying to take over government schools and private school buildings so that more temporary quarantine facilities can be readied so that they can be used when the need arises. Already there are 10,000 plus quarantine beds that are ready in Chennai to meet any requirements that may arise. At this point in time, it's also important to note the latest data that is coming from India's central government, that of 37 districts in Tamil Nadu, only one is in the green zone. 36 of them are in the red and orange zones. This is also an alarming data because Chennai has a high number of cases, and Tamil Nadu's most of the districts are also in the red and orange zone. We could say that much of this testing that is happening in the last couple of days, the high rate of testing is causing more number of cases to turn up, but yet it remains a serious risk for Tamil Nadu. From Chennai, this is Siddharth MP. WION World is One.